Many people are feeling the crunch of higher property valuations across the state. Some cities are working to provide relief after hearing some of the feedback. One of those cities, El Dorado. As city staff looks at an additional sales tax, they say this will help lower the mill levy by up to 20%. Cale Chapman spoke with the city manager and also a financial advisor about the solution.
My clients, they all feel like they're overtaxed.
Mike Spencer is a financial advisor in El Dorado and says many of his clients are worried about their taxes.
Federal taxes you pay, Kansas taxes you pay, local taxes of different kinds. There has to be a point where it's just not such a great burden for people.
One specific area of concern is property taxes. When property valuations came out earlier this year, many Kansans were afraid their property taxes were going to increase.
The mill levy has definitely got the attention of, I think, everybody throughout the state. As valuations increase, cities don't even have to do anything with their mill levy, and they're generating more taxes.
Now areas like El Dorado are looking for ways to provide some relief. El Dorado says 40% of the money coming from their current 1-cent sales tax comes from people who live outside of the city. City staff are working on a proposal for implementing an additional half-cent sales tax that they say could drop their current mill levy by 20%.
I think that's one of the #1 things that I hear about is the mill levy. The idea came up to put an additional sales tax as a way of generating more revenue that we could then offset a mill levy with.
Spencer says the plan could work, but it's hard to know until there's more details.
If the offset can be that people from outside the community help offset that, well, that seems like that would be a natural offset.
In El Dorado, Cale Chapman, 12 News.
And Dillner says that the sales tax proposal would have to be voted on during an election. To get the proposal on this November's ballot, the proposal will have to be approved by the City Commission by July 15th.